So what are my settings for flying this guy at night? Well, stick around, I'm going to talk about it. What's going on, everybody? I'm Original Dobo and I do drone and tech related media. So if that is your thing, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already, make sure you check me out on Twitter and Instagram. I try to post there pretty regularly. So if you want to connect with me, that is the easiest way. Today, I am talking about nighttime settings for the Autel EVO and what I recommend to use while flying with minimal lighting conditions. So to start off, I'm going to be shooting at 4K 24 frames per second. I really feel that this is the best possible resolution and frame rate to get the best performance in low light. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break some rules here. I'm going to set my shutter at 30. I think that for me is the best happy medium. Another thing to keep in mind is nighttime sort of masks a lot of imperfections like shutter, stutter, and things of that nature. So you won't really notice those things as much during the night. So 30 is probably the best that I can recommend with shooting with the EVO at least. ISO, I'm gonna keep the ISO at right at 1600. I don't wanna quite max it out, but 1600 seems to be the happy medium that I'm using. And then I'm also using the standard profile to shoot. I'm not shooting in log. Log would be a really bad idea to shoot with at night because what log tends to do is to add noise unnecessarily to the shadows, and we just don't need any more noise than we already have with the lack of light. I do turn my sharpness down -3, which is the maximum amount that you can turn it down on the EVO, which does help with some of the noise that you will get in your shot. It's inevitable. And then the last thing I do is go ahead and set my white balance manually. So most of the time I'm flying at about 5200, but for nighttime shots, I do find that cooler shots just look better, and that's my personal taste. So I try to keep it about 4000, sometimes 3600, so I get that really cool feeling to the shot, and I think that's what really works best. But what I did was I shot this video with all the settings I just talked about here. So go ahead, take a look at it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Again, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. And if you haven't yet already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. As always, stay original.